Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off dark mode on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off dark mode on the YouTube, first open up a YouTube app on your phone. After opening a YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a button where it says you over here just beside the subscriptions. Tap on the button where it says you at the bottom right corner over here, and you land on this interface. Whereas on this interface, again at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the gear option or the settings option available for us at the top right corner of the screen on this interface. Tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right, and you land on this interface. Again at the top of the list, you can see the general option available for us. Tap on general, and you land on this interface. Again, the third option here, it says the appearance. Now in order to turn off the dark mode on YouTube, will be required to tap on the appearance, and this kind of pop-up will appear where you can see the light theme or the device theme option available for us. If you have your device's theme as the light mode or the light theme, we can just use the device theme on this interface. But in order to turn off dark mode permanently on YouTube, just tap on the light theme over here, and then the dark mode on YouTube will be turned off. And that being done, guys, this is how you will be able to turn off dark mode on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.